Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a follow-up, a 1-month follow-up from my vitamin journey video. So today is April 1st. It's been a whole month since I started taking the Main Choice hair vitamins again. And so today I'm going to share with you guys any changes, any observations that I've noticed over this last month. I'm going to re-measure my hair to see how much growth I have gotten in over a month. And yeah, I'm just going to update you guys. So as far as styling my hair, this month, I didn't really do any, no, that's a lie. That was March. I think that was like March 1st. So yeah, I did end up doing a protective style during the month of March. I did 2 feed-in braids and I left them in for about 2 weeks. So I was able to give my hair some chance to take a break from manipulation and stuff. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing for the month of April. So after I blow out my hair today, I'm gonna install some mini twists for a little bit, keep those in for like 2 weeks. Because as we know, protective styling helps promote and to retain hair growth. So that's what I am all about with this hair growth journey. I did wear a protective style. I did a wash and go. And I also did this style, which is a 3-strand twist out. So those are the styles that I did for the month of March. Pretty basic styles, nothing too like crazy. What else? I have been incorporating scalp massages every 2 to 3 days. I'll oil my scalp and I'll use my vibrating scalp massager, so that also promotes growth. And yeah, other than that, I haven't really been doing anything else besides taking the vitamins. So as far as taking the vitamins, have I noticed anything? The only thing that I've noticed, I was dealing with some outbreaks and some acne like a week or so ago, but I am attributing that to being my time of the month was coming up. Which usually happens. It was pretty bad. It was like, usually I get like 1 or 2 pimples. I had like 4 or 5 this time around, so that may have played a part. That's the only thing that's different. So I also noticed my hair is starting to grow. Not necessarily my hair on my head, but everywhere else started to get a little bit crazy. And so that is something to be expected, you know, with these vitamins. You know, it's not just for your hair to grow. It grows, you can't control where the hair wants to grow. So just keep that in mind and be prepared to do a little bit more maintenance when it comes to that. I haven't noticed any other changes. Oh yes, I forgot to mention. So I kept my eye out like I told you guys I was going to do, and the Main Choice had a sale on their site. It was 40% off, which is pretty high. So 40%, I saw that and I ran with it. So I went on their site and I got a 6-month supply of the vitamins. So we are locked, set, and ready to go as far as this hair growth journey. Keep an eye out. Get on that email list so that you know when there's a sale, because I'll put it up on the screen actually, the price that it usually is, and then I'll show you guys what I was able to pay for 6 bottles of these, which is a miracle. But yeah, let's get into measuring my hair. Alright, so I have my lift check shirt on and my hair is blown out. Today's the 3rd, so this is like 2 days later. But hey, you're not gonna get that much growth in 2 days, right? So it should be fine. But yeah, let's get my handy dandy assistant. Dodge! All right, so maybe I had a bad reading the first time. Like I said, it's hard to measure the length of your hair by yourself. So I'm gonna say there was some growth. I'll put it side by side. We can kind of compare and see. It's only been a month, so I didn't expect too much growth. And it wasn't until about like 3 months in, the first time I took the vitamins, that I really saw significant growth. So here we are. We're gonna start month 2, and I'll be back at the end of April. Yeah, at the end of April or the beginning of May. Blow my hair out again and show you guys what the length is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.